what do you have in number 29? If you look at 29, somewhat sight unseen, what do you got? Well, it looks like you got mish or hish as your prefix, right? Which means you don't know what hish is, and then you got a root tamar, which doesn't make any sense. Okay? Did you find this in the book? Yep. All right, this is called, this is a highlight of the course, when you can say the word metathesis. Say, repeat after me, metathesis. Metathesis. Okay? Which being interpreted means meta, change, thesis, like metamorphosis, thesis, position. All right? Metathesis means to change places. What does this mean? It means that when you have a root that start with certain letters, predominantly sibilants. You know what a sibilant is? It's like your brother or your sister. Isn't that a sibilant? Only if they lisp.
Is that a grammar joke?
Yeah, that was a joke. A sibilant is a letter that starts with an S sound. An S sound. And there are 4 of them in Hebrew, right? We have 4 sibilants, right? Some people have 4 siblings, but here we have 4 sibilants. What are they? All right, Samic, Sin, Shin. Those are the obvious ones. And then Tzade works this way too. Tzade. All right? Now look at what happens here. This isn't as hard as you think it is. If you want to make this a Hithpael, you do this, right? You just add Hith, and you should get Hith Shamer. All right? Now, say that word nice and clearly, all right? Hith Shamer. Do you realize how you have to pick up your tongue and move it between the Hith and the Shamer? All right? This is sort of a phenomenon that was caused simply by phonology, by the way we say words. Okay? So if you switch these 2 letters around, which is the whole point of metathesis, if you switch these 2 letters around, which is the whole point of metathesis, so it comes out hish tamer, do you realize that you can slide from the sh to the t sound very easily? That's what generated this. That's what's going on, and it's no big deal. Okay? The only problem, of course, is that in real life, when you see a word like this, you kind of have to do the metathesis backwards to see that this tau goes with the hith and that this shin goes with the root. Get it? So the root is actually shamar.